Hey, Kyle here with Neuroh Hardwood Flooring, reviewing the Porter Cable 20-volt cordless palm sander, 5-inch palm sander. First few things I noticed when I packed it out of the box, it's a little bit heavy towards the battery pack side. It's not the most ergonomic grip. Doesn't seem to have a gauge on the battery to see where you're at. It does come with a little dust bag, and you can fit different size vacuum hoses on there if you decide not to use the bag. And I'm going to put it up against the Festool ETS sander, which is the one we typically use, and just see what the scratch pattern looks like side by side. So I've got a panel here, we're going to sand them both. We're using Norton Pro Sand 120 grit paper, and let's see what it does. Alright, so right off the bat I noticed that the Porter Cable, definitely not as smooth as the Festool, but for a cordless sander and for the price point it's at, I don't think it was bad. So let's go ahead and throw some stain on this panel and see where we're at as far as the scratch pattern. Alright, let's throw some stain on here and see what it looks like with the scratch pattern. Got some dark walnut quick coat from Duraseal. Now I didn't water pop this because I really wanted to see the scratch pattern. Now if you water pop it, it removes some of that imperfection, so. So here's a quick video close-up of the Porter Cable scratch pattern versus the Festool. Pretty noticeable difference. Alright, so I'm over here on the job site. We've got some maple treads that we're going to be finishing with a hard wax oil, and I thought we'd try this Porter Cable guy out on buffing in the oil on the stair treads. Since you don't always want to use your most expensive palm sander to be buffing in oil. Let's see how it does. Not too shabby. Hey, so I'm back at the shop now. Just wanted to give a recap on the Porter Cable 20-volt cordless sander. So on the negative side, it's a little bit heavy. The ergonomics aren't the greatest. The scratch pattern, about what you could expect out of a palm sander at this price point. No variable speed, no battery indicator. On the positive side, it's only about $60, so it's reasonably priced on Amazon. It's convenient to use, no hoses, no cords, and it worked really well as a hard wax oil applicator, which is what we'd probably use it for in the future. Thanks for watching Wood Floor Business Tool Review. This is Kyle, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.